Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another organizational video. Today I'm in my sister's brand new home and I'm gonna organize her pantry, and we're gonna be working on a $0 budget, which is something I don't see on YouTube a lot. So we're gonna shop her home for some bins and baskets and things that she may not be using that we can use in the pantry, and I feel like it's gonna be really fun. So if you guys need some serious organization motivation, just keep watching. So I'm going to start by taking everything out. That's just how I like to do things when I organize something. And then once everything is out, I get to categorize everything. And then that's what helps me decide what groups of things go in what basket or bin or jar, which also makes the process of putting everything back in a little bit easier. So my sister had a bunch of her appliances at the top of her pantry. She had an empty cabinet in her kitchen, so we went ahead and put the majority of her appliances in there. It also created a bunch of space for us in the pantry, which made the end results look even better. So my sister purchased this Rubbermaid shelf liner a while back, and I'm going to use it on the back wall of shelves. This stuff is so durable, it's easy to cut and measure. I love this because it keeps everything stable and keeps everything from falling through the cracks. So if I can find this, I will definitely link this down below. Since we're working on a $0 budget, I gathered all of these baskets and bins and jars that she had in her previous home, and I put it all on this table. So if you haven't noticed already, all of these bins are super affordable. Most of them come from Dollar Tree. The metal gold ones come from Walmart. Those fabric ones come from Walmart, I think. And then there's another teal bin on the other side of the table that actually came from IKEA. And most of the jars you can get from IKEA or Walmart. Those have the best prices in my opinion for stuff like this. Luckily my sister already had these glass containers on hand, so I'm gonna use these for her most used food products like oatmeal. She buys a lot of oatmeal, so I'm using one container for that. I'm gonna do another container for pancake mix. I love the look of having clear containers in the pantry so that you can see how much you have left of something, and it makes everything look nice and neat. Sometimes the packaging from the grocery store takes up more space than using the clear containers. So before I move on to the last step in the process, which is pretty much loading things into the pantry, I'm going to take all of the bins and stuff that I'm going to use to organize with and kind of get an idea of how I want things to be set up. For me, this can take a long time because I'm working with different size baskets, and the shelves are different sizes as far as width, and then we're working with the different colors as well. And I do want it to look really nice, but the most important thing is that it's functional and organized. Alright, so let's fast forward to the end where I'm finally done, and I love how everything turned out, especially since we spent $0 on her pantry just using the things that she already had. I felt like it was important to leave room for growth for her family, so I pretty much had to keep in mind that they still have to go grocery shopping, and I wanted everything to be visible for her, so when they do go grocery shopping, she knows where everything goes. I made sure that these two shelves were dedicated to glass food storage jars so that she still has room to add more if she wants to purchase some more later on. We printed out some really quick and easy labels with my label maker that I already had. These 3-tiered spice organizers that she has on her shelf is from the Container Store, as well as the one the cans are sitting on. I will try to find them and have them linked down below. So I left some extra space for their cereal containers in case they want to add some more. And down below I have a bin just for their lunch boxes, and the other bin is actually empty, so they can choose what they want to store in there. And later you'll see that I actually moved those 2 green bins to the floor and put all of their paper towel rolls on that shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your family and friends if you haven't already. I'm going to leave you guys with another quick before and after, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!